In today's video, with the help of Emo Joe and Emo Tai, I will open our new robot. It is something you haven't seen in very long time in YouTube. Inside the box, you can see the robot himself. He is from the company YCOO. It is Silverlit Pokebot. Comparing him to Emo Joe and Emo Tai, you can see how small he is. It has been advertised as a portable robot in the past. He is small, cute, adorable, and fascinating robot. He is activated by clapping your hands or tapping on the desk. He does different things when he heard the sound. That is the 500 subscriber robot I had chosen as surprise. Welcome in our family. I will publish more detailed video showing all he can do in the next days. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell below to get notified when I published the video. Meanwhile, if you want to watch another video, click on the videos shown on the screen now, or you can check the playlists I have provided below in the description.